Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Google Assistant not available for this account issue during setup on ALCATEL free. Let's begin. So I do not have this issue right now, only because it's very rare and it's pretty hard to predict where exactly it will occur. From my experience, it's actually software based. But I do know that you don't really need it to show me, like I don't have to show it to you because you already looked up for this video, okay? You already know how this issue looks. So without further ado, how can we possibly fix that? Well, the possible solution is to simply skip Google account completely and proceed with setup, and only after setup we want to add a Google account. However, if the ability to skip logging into Google account isn't possible, we want to go back once again, and here in the connected to Wi-Fi section we want to click on the Wi-Fi that we have successfully connected to before. Let's go with advanced options, and we want to basically disconnect from this, which looks like is not possible, but don't worry, we can also skip it. So let's go with continue. And as you can see, the Wi-Fi icon disappeared and we have successfully unplugged from Wi-Fi. So now we can just continue with our setup as normal, and we won't be tasked with logging into a Google account completely, which lets us simply use our phone and go through the setup. And only after the setup, let's go with skip, let's go with finish. And as you can see, we can now freely use our device. Well, we have to agree to some stuff first. Let's give away some things, sure. And now we have the ability to connect to our Wi-Fi and then connect to our Google account. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.